and Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Forest Minister and Home Minister had ordered for immediate and urgent the process should be very fast, and it went very fast. More than 100 of people were defeated there, and I think we were successful. Our team of our DCF and SP done this is really successful, and it's a very joyful moment when we see the face of the parents of Sharanya. We can't express the way how they spoke with her.
When will she return to work?
We will speak with our SP and the DCF. They are undergoing some medical checkup, which are the regular process, but she is very stable, and she spoke with her mother and father. She is very well, and it's our responsibility to bring her back to the home. Maybe tomorrow, because it's already late night. Tomorrow, first half, we may expect she will be here. Thank you.